Hi, Jacob. Can you give me a quick update on Mrs. Bennett in room 14? I just saw her chart.
Sure, Mihira. I've been with her all morning. Her main complaint is still the discomfort from the rash. She initially thought it was a simple allergy to a new soap, but it has developed into more of a blistering, weeping condition, which is what the doctor wants to focus on. She's been a little agitated about the whole thing, understandably.
Yes, she was in the countryside. She mentioned walking through some bushes, and then a few hours later, her skin started to get red. She put some calamine lotion on it herself, which didn't help. The doctor is considering a diagnosis of contact dermatitis, possibly from a plant like poison ivy. It's a bit of a puzzle.
That's what I was thinking. So, the blistered skin isn't just a simple allergic reaction, then? It's a specific kind of inflammation. That needs to be monitored closely. I'll make sure the records reflect that.
Exactly, Mihira. I've noted down the doctor's plan to use a topical corticosteroid cream and to redress the area twice a day. He's also put in an order for an oral antihistamine to help with the itchiness, but the priority is clearly managing the skin's surface inflammation. The patient herself keeps talking about her stress levels affecting her skin, but it seems more directly related to her exposure.
Perfect. Let's make sure the next shift understands that it's not a stress rash. Mihira, I understand that going for a blood test can feel a little daunting if you're not sure what to expect. I want to walk you through the process step by step so you can feel as calm and prepared as possible. It's a very quick and routine procedure, and knowing what will happen can make it feel much easier. First, you'll be made comfortable, usually sitting or lying down. The person taking your blood will find a suitable vein, often on the inside of your arm. They will then clean the area with a cool antiseptic wipe to ensure everything is perfectly sterile. Next, they will tie a soft band called a tourniquet around your upper arm. This might feel snug for a moment as it helps the vein become more visible. The most noticeable part is the needle prick itself. You will feel a quick, sharp scratch or a pinching sensation that lasts only a second or two. It's important to try and keep your arm as relaxed as you can during this part. Once the small sample is collected, which usually takes less than a minute, the needle is gently removed. Immediately, you will be asked to press firmly with a piece of cotton or gauze on the spot where the needle was. Applying this pressure for a minute or two is very important, as it helps prevent any bruising. Finally, a small plaster or bandage will be placed over the tiny site. You might feel a slight tenderness there for a short while, but that's completely normal. The whole experience is over very quickly, and you can then go about your day having done something very important for your health. You've got this.